Hi guys, it's B-Raditat. In this jQuery tutorial we are going to be looking at multiple selectors. Multiple selectors allow us to select multiple elements on a page, tags, IDs, classes, etc. We're going to be learning how to do that and how we can use it. So I'm just going to create a few elements. So I'm going to put a P, and I say this is a paragraph, and the P tag. And I'm going to put an input type of button, so input type of button, give that a value of button, and the final element I'm going to use an ID. I'm just going to use a checkbox, so input type of checkbox and ID. Hang on, no, I'm not going to use an input because we're going to be selecting the input tag on this one. So let's just put in a heading, so H1, and I'm going to give that an ID of heading, and let's just say this is a heading. So we're going to be selecting P, input, and the ID of heading. So let's go save index and go to our JS library, and let's wait for the document to be ready. So, document.ready, and when it's ready we're going to run this function. So let's get our dollar sign to get ready for selecting. In brackets, let's put one of these, or speech marks. Brackets and speech marks, or one of these. I'm going to use one of these, and I'm going to select the P tag, and then put a comma, and then the input tag. Sorry, capitals. So the input tag, so P, comma, input, as well as currently selecting P and input. I've got that in capitals. And I'm also going to be selecting the H1 element, but I'm going to be using its ID, so hash heading. So a comma and hash heading. Close it, and I'm going to change the CSS value for border color to be red. So I'm just put border to px solid red. So we've got P input and hash heading for the CSS border to px solid red. So let's go try that out. And as you can see, each element has got a border color of red, 2px and solid. So that is how we can use multiple selectors, and you can use it in many different ways. So you could select all of these elements and say .click to run that function, etc. So it can be used in many ways. Thank you very much. B-Raditat.